Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As All India Congress Committee, they have initiated Sangathan Sirjan Abhiyan to elect the district president in different districts of Punjab. Shikha Meal, she has been appointed as the observer for Ludhiana Rural. So, ma'am, you earlier also visited Ludhiana, and today you are again here to visit the different constituencies. What you have observed so far?
I have observed that the Congress workers are quite excited about this Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, and they are satisfied with the way we are working. We are going to block levels, and I, along with the three of PCC observers, Lucky ji is there, then Pawan Adhia ji and Raj Kamal ji. We are going to every block of this district, and we are meeting people in groups or one-on-one meetings. So people see it as a very basic, and it was very required exercise, and they are quite satisfied that they are being heard. And there is a lot of anti-incumbency about this existing government, so that all we can perceive.
What is the entire process of selecting the district president?
AICC observers have been appointed in every district, and I have five assemblies in this Ludhiana rural district. So, as I told you, we are meeting everyone, like right from morning to night 10-11 p.m. The place where I am staying, and then we are going to assemblies, and every block level there we are circulating messages on a wider level that you can come and meet us and give your suggestions about the district president who can be. So people are quite, as I said, are satisfied about this exercise, and they are, some of them, they want single person interaction, that also we are doing. And we are not making any local person or local candidate or the present DCC president with us. Just AICC observer and three of PCC observers are there to meet people.
And how many names have so far come for the nomination of the district president?
We have received around 10 to 15 forms till now, and they are still coming. And once we are done with this exercise, then only we can give you the number.
And when it will be finalized, how long the process will go?
We'll be preparing a panel of six, and balancing all the things from name from name of women candidates from youth, and balancing the caste equations of this local area, and that panel will be sent to AICC. Then the top leadership only and our Congress president only, they are directly monitoring this activity. They only will decide who this.
So how long it will take? 1 month, 2 months, or how long this exercise will go?
We'll be submitting our report by the end of this month, and hopefully in the next month this will be done.
Like you are also a woman who have come into the politics. How many women they are coming up and participating? They are giving their names for this post.
Congress is very much inclined towards promoting women leadership. And as we have seen in the historical nature of Congress, that they always have been promoting this. Women, we are not getting enough names, but we are encouraging them that you also can apply for this post. And since they have much more responsibilities, uh, like they have to look after their homes, children, and everything, but still we are encouraging them to come forward and apply for the post.
As you mentioned that you are involving people from the block level, from the area ward level. So after district president is selected by the AICC, then PPCC president will also be selected again.
That is very early to say, because right now we are concentrating, we are focusing on our DCC president exercise only, which is like Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan. And next steps will be appointing all the block presidents, which we already have, then mandals and then mandal karyakarinis, and to empower and make those people liable for whatever they are doing.
So she was Shikha Meal, who has been appointed as the observer for Ludhiana Rural District as AICC. They are going to select the presidents of different districts. So they have initiated this exercise of Sanghatan Sirjan Abhiyan, where they are involving the workers who are working on the ground at the booth level, at the ward level. So they are involving every person and they are taking their names, and further the observers, they will file the report, and then AICC will decide the district president. So this is all about the Sanghatan Sirjan Abhiyan initiated by AICC. So you are watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.